Welcome to my projectbazaar.com. Yeah, let us discuss about the mobile crowdsensing, that is in current state and future challenges. Yeah, let us discuss about the abstract of the product. So, in the crowdsensing, sometimes referred as mobile crowdsensing, is a technique where a large group of individuals having mobile devices capable of sensing and computing collectively share data and extract the information to measure, map, analysis, estimate, or info any process of common interest. So in short, this means crowdsourcing of sensor data from mobile devices. So devices equipped with various sensors have become most smartphones can sense ambient light, noise, location, movement, and more. So this sensor can collect vast quantities of data that are useful in variety of ways. For example, like GPS and accelerometer data can be used to locate the in cities. So and microphones can be used to with GPS to map noise and population. So in this proposed work, the term of mobile crowdsensing, that is MCS, where the individual users are sensing the computing, the device collectively share data and extract the information of the process. So mobile sensing devices are previously available and rich and inexpensive source of the sensor data. So mobile cloud sensing refers to an application that leverage consumer mobile like GPS, smartphones, and car sensors like here. So these are the devices to collect and share data about the user. To it will be collected the data and also it shared to the different type of users or the physical world like either interactively or autonomously. So in this process towards a main common goal of the process. So these are the description of the mobile crowd sensing of the process. Yeah, let us discuss about the flow diagram of the process. So here we are using a 3 incentive measures. So that like, so there are lottery, trust and reputation, and then basically for the management of the process. So users and base station deployment. So first of all we indicate the users and base station deployment. So here we using statically the user and deployment, and then device head selection. So in the users it should be selected on type of a head. So that is based on the election method based on the weights. So whatever it may be, it a high process that should be in the head selection. So again next one is a device member scheduling model. So it should be schedule the process. So states and transmission model, observation and transmission model, and action and reward model. So these are the 3 models of scheduling model. And then in case the device member sleep and awake scheduling. So in case the device member should be sleep, it should be taking the awake of the scheduling, and then converges data sending. So it converges all the data and interpretation. In case the track data, if yes, the performance analysis is performed. Otherwise the device head selection, again the process it should be continued. So these are the overall flow diagram of the process. So in the converges data and sending, it should be all the collecting the data, it should be converged, and the data it should be processed to all the users to the priority wise scheduling of the process. So and then it should be collected the 3 incentive parameters like that. So these are the 3 incentive parameters. One is a lottery, that is a content success function, and imperfectly discriminating. So that's a lottery. So it will be take a chance or not chance. And then trust and reputation. So in the trust and reputation, the social recognition or peer process. So the social recognition, the trust should be must, and the reputation means it should be in a bad company of the process. And then market driven. So in the market driven process is by supply and demand. Whatever the user data contributes at supply, and then demand. Demand means service of consumers, whatever the needs of consumer, and it should be satisfied or not, like that. So these are the service consumer of the process. So these are the 3 incentive parameters applying the process of the particular mobile crowd sensing of the process. Finally, in the performance analysis process, it should be take a performance difference graph of the 3 incentive parameters, and it should be perform the particular graph of the process. And the state and transmission model, it should be state or transition. And then observation, it should be particular observe from the user, and then action and reward. Finally, it should be take a action and reward of the process. So these are the scheduling of the process. Particularly in overall process, it should be scheduling is must to convert all the data and target the it should be done the performance analysis of the process. So these are the overall flow diagram of the process. Yeah, let us discuss about the running procedure for the product. So click the main file and then run. So it had some time to display the values, so all the graphs are displayed. So now we discuss about the figure one by one. So this is the first figure. So this is the system model. So here we're using the in this first figure, the system model. So here we are using the randomly generating nodes. So that is called a randomly generated uses. So randomly generator uses the base station. So base station of the particular value. So these are the different types of randomly generated the user of the plots. And then the next figure. Yeah, this is the next figure. So here I will separate the 4 access nodes. This is the one type of access nodes, and this is one, and this is one, this one. So here I selecting 4 cluster heads for the particular 4 generating randomly operating this different number of users like that. So the number of users displayed by using the different number of cluster heads. So this is the one type of cluster head, and then this one, and this one, also this one. So these are the different type of cluster heads I will select it. And then the next figure. So yeah, this is the next figure. So I will comparing with the already told that there are 3 parameters. One is a lotteries, again another one is market mechanism, and then another one is a trust and reputation. So I will first of all I will select the lottery. So I will select the lottery type. So this is the context of success function. So how many successful function are displayed. So 0.22 up to 1, and then data contributes. So these are the different type of data contributes 1 to 10. So these are the different type of data contributes are selected. So different number of lotteries. So I will select it. For example, 1, it's a successful function is 0.6, and then 2 I will select 0.5 something. So then 3 I will select 0.9. So like that. So these are the different type of lottery parameters selected by the particular node. Yeah, and then next figure. In this next figure, the market mechanism parameter 2. So the market mechanism means these are the data contributes. So data contributes mean how the users are provide particular links or like that. So those are the different type of data contributes. And then service consumers. So whatever the consumers will be selected. So how many services are consumer per annum theory. So these are the different parameters for the market mechanism. Whatever it may be, it will be high or low. So the service consumers will be high of the data contribute. So these are the market mechanism like the parameter of the 2. And this is the next figure. So in this next figure, this is a trust and reputation system. So this is the parameter 3. So trust and reputation in organization, trust is must. So social organization like that. So the reputation means the value should be low. So that is a reputation. So whatever the data contributes 1 to 10, the social organization whatever it may be. So that is a selection of data contributes and social organization of the mobile crowding data sensing of the system. So and then the next figure, compare the 3 parameters, that is the lotteries, market mechanism, and trust and reputation system. So comparing to the 3 parameters, the pink color denoting the lotteries parameters. So again red color denoting the market mechanism, and then blue color denoting the trust and reputation. So these are the different 3 type of parameters comparing with the process. So mobile crowd sensing, whatever it may be, the users its benefit to the social networking. So these are the running procedure for the process. Thank you for listening this video.